let's begin solving. So we need to make sure we need to make sure the coefficient of either x or y is 0. Then we can solve for either of the variables. So we see here that x is set up in a way that if we multiply either of these equations by a negative, we can get y by itself. So let's multiply the smaller equation, the second equation, by a negative. So all of these terms will be multiplied. So the first equation, we aren't applying any operations to it, so it'll just remain the same. However, the second equation is multiplied by a negative, so it will be a 2x plus a 5y equals a negative 19. Now that we can set the coefficient of the x variable to 0, we can add these two linear equations. So this would be 0. This would be negative 2y. Negative 7y plus 5y would be negative 2y. And then 25 minus 19 would be 6. We would divide by 2 on both sides. And y would equal negative 3. Because 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. Now we have to plug it into either this or this equation. I would prefer the smaller second equation. So I would write that all out. And then I would plug in y. So negative 2x. And a negative 5 times a negative 3 is a positive 15. Then we would subtract by 15 on both sides. And we would get negative 2x equals 4. Now we will just divide by 2 on both sides. And we would get x equals negative 2. So now we just have to put this in x comma y form, or coordinate form. So x is negative 2, and y is negative 3. So this is the point in which the two lines intersect. Negative 2 comma negative 3, where x equals negative 2 and y equals negative 3. Thank you for watching this video.